Hi, in this screencast, I'm going to teach you how to use several free apps to create Bible Verse Infopics, the YouVersion Bible app, a free website called photosforclass.com using Safari, and then Adobe Spark Post. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open up the YouVersion Bible app, and we're going to tap on Read, and we're going to navigate to the book and chapter that we'd like to use for our info pick or info verse. So I'm going to go to 1 Peter, in this case chapter 3, and I'm going to go down to verse 15, which talks about always being prepared to give an answer for the hope that you have. So I'm going to tap on that. Now I could tap image and use one of the images that's built into the app, but in this case I'm going to go search for one, and so I'm going to choose to copy that verse because I'm going to use that once I find my picture. So I'm now going to go to the Safari app, but to speed this up, I've made a little web bookmark to go to Photos for Class, and this is just photosforclass.com, and I'm going to type in the word share, and I'm going to search for photos. And so photos related to whatever topic I've selected are going to come up, and these hopefully are going to be appropriate pictures. It should be, because this is a website where the photos are supposed to be good for using in class. I'm going to tap this link that says download, and when I tap that link, actually it's going to open the picture by itself, and it's going to have the attribution there at the bottom. So now I can hold my finger down and push up and choose Save Image. And now that image is saved to my camera roll so that I can use it in another program. This is the App Smash. So now I'm going to switch over and open up Adobe Spark Post. And so here's Adobe Spark Post. I'm going to tap the plus to do a new project and choose Photo Library. And then I'm going to come over and select my picture. And I'm going to tap Choose. I'm going to leave it for a social post, which is square, using the Instagram selection, but I'm going to move it over to the right so I can fully see the attribution there at the bottom, and I'm going to tap Done. Now I can double tap, and hopefully I can still paste the text for the Bible verse that I have, and I'm going to actually shorten this a little bit, and I'll put in some dots. So I'm not going to have the full verse, but I'm going to say, always be prepared to give an answer to everyone who asks you to give the reason for the hope that you have. And then I'm going to just put some more dots here at the end of that. I'm also going to delete right here the NIV and then the web link just to shorten it a little bit. And I'll click Done. Okay. Now that is actually not very readable. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap here on color, and I can make some different choices about colors and how I want those to look. I can also choose some solid colors if I want, or I can choose to have some combinations. I can tap on font, and I think I'm going to select one of these fonts that is a little bit thicker. I like that, so I'll tap the check mark. And then I'm also going to tap on spacing, and so that is going to change up the spacing of the text. I kind of like that, so I think I'm going to resize that and go there. You can change opacity, and in this case I think I am going to make it a little bit brighter there, and you can also mess with the alignment if you want to change that up a little bit. I think I actually like that the best. So if I find what I like with fonts and colors and everything like that, there's more choices, but I'm going to go up to the upper right corner, and I'm going to tap on the share square, the box with the arrow, and then I'm going to choose to save the image. And so that saves the image down to my camera roll, and now I am ready to share that picture. So first place I'm going to go to share the picture is Instagram. I've already logged into my account, and I can go ahead and tap right here, and the last image that I saved to my camera roll is right there, and so I can click Next. And I'm not going to apply a filter, so I click Next, and I'm going to be up here at the top. I'm going to type DW4JC, and that's a hashtag for digital witness for Jesus Christ. And if you want to use that hashtag, you can, and it allows for folks who are using or sharing Bible verses like this to find other people who are sharing verses. And I'm also going to tap on Facebook. So what this is going to do is share this picture to my Instagram account using that hashtag. There's the verse. It also has the link that people can click on, and this is also going to go to Facebook. So I'll go ahead and click share, and there it is. It's shared to Instagram, and it's also shared to Facebook. Now, I could have also cross-posted it to Twitter, but I actually like to use another app here called Echophon, and I'm going to go ahead and share that image. So again, I'm going to choose it from the library. I'm going to, after I select it, tap Done, and I'm going to do the same hashtag, DW4JC, and then I'm going to paste in the same verse. But with Twitter, and this is why I also do this separately so I can be very selective, you've only got 140 characters. And so I'm going to do the same thing, taking out the beginning verses. Always be prepared to give a reason for the hope that you have. And then I'm going to see how many of these letters we can get, but we're not going to be able to get all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get as many as I can, and I think then I'll do ... So got a couple spaces there. And I think I have enough characters to go ahead and put some dots there at the beginning. Just remember, you've only got 140 characters here with Twitter, and in the bottom right corner, Echophon shows me how many I have. So go ahead and click Send. I can upload that, and then that tweet has been posted. So if I want to check this out and see how those look, I can go ahead and visit Twitter, and I'll visit my Eyes Right page, and there is the Twitter post that we just shared that has the link, and there's the picture. And we can also go to Facebook, because we already saw that it went to Instagram, and I can go ahead and go to my profile and see that there it is, that post has been shared there. So if you would like to find more information about doing Infopics and other types of media products that you can create to Pocket Share Jesus, you can go to the website www.dw4jc.com. Thanks.